Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel OzonePrivacy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about unsupervised machine learning demo video. I already explained about artificial intelligence and machine learning in detail. I give the video link in the description. Do check it out. In short, unsupervised machine learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on data without labeled outputs. You only have input. The model tries to find the hidden pattern or structure in the data. One common unsupervised learning algorithm is KMeansClustering, which groups similar data points together. For example, think of a shopping mall that has hundreds of customers. Here we have a small data set that have customer, their annual income and their spending. We don't know who are high spenders or low spenders, but the algorithm can group them automatically based on their spending behavior. We start by importing the libraries, pandas, to manage our data like a spreadsheet. Matplot library to visualize the result, KMeansCluster, which will perform the grouping automatically. Here we create a data set. Each row represents a customer with two features, annual income and their spending score. We have no added any labels like low spender or high spender. Next, we use the K-means algorithm. We tell it to form two clusters, which means we want the algorithm to find two groups of customers. Fit predict does two things. It fits the model, meaning it studies the data point. It predicts which cluster each point belongs to. Then, we add a new column called cluster to our data set, showing the group for each customer. After running the algorithm, you will see an extra column named cluster. Customer assigned to cluster 0 form one group and those in cluster 1 form another group. The algorithm found this pattern completely on its own. Now, if you look at the graph, you can see two distinct groups of customers. The red points form one cluster and the purple point form another cluster. The red cluster represents customers who have high annual income and high spending score. These might be premium or high value customer. On the other hand, the purple cluster represents the customer with low income and low spending. In the real world, company uses this technique for customer segmentation, market analysis or recommendation system. For example, a retail business could target premium offers to the red group and discount deals to the purple group. So, that's how unsupervised learning works. I hope this video is useful for you. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.